హలో మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో ఫిబ్రవరి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేవి చూద్దామండి. ఫిబ్రవరికి సంబంధించిన కంప్లీట్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మనకి ఎక్కడ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కడ మిస్ అవ్వలేదు. మ్యాక్సిమం క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి కవర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, కంప్లీట్గా మనకి అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్కి యూజ్ అయ్యేలా క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం డిజైన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. బోత్ ఎకానమీ కూడా బడ్జెట్కి సంబంధించి ఫిబ్రవరిలో వచ్చిన బడ్జెట్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి టాప్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందండి. ఓకేనా, వీడియోని ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా కంటిన్యూస్గా చూడండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో టు అవర్ సెషన్. వీడియోలో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం చూసుకుంటే, వాట్ ఈస్ ది రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఆన్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఫ్లోటింగ్ రేట్ బాండ్స్? ఏంటంటే ఫ్లోటింగ్ రేట్ బాండ్స్ 2035 గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ ఫర్ ది పీరియడ్ January 2025 టు January 24, 2030. ఓకే, ఫ్లోటింగ్ రేట్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫ్లోటింగ్ రేట్ ఎంత అంటే 6.66% అండి. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది టోటల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ అప్రూవ్డ్ బై ది యూనియన్ క్యాబినెట్ ఫర్ ది నేషనల్ క్రిటికల్ మినరల్ మిషన్? ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే 16,300 crores అండి. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ January 2025 వాట్ ట్రోఫీ డిడ్ ఆస్ట్రేలియా విన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది 10-team కాంపిటీషన్? ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే ఐసీసీ ఉమెన్స్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ అండి. ఐసీసీ ఉమెన్స్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ విచ్ స్టేట్ వాజ్ ది ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సరస్వతి మహోత్సవ్ 2025? ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ హర్యానా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, హూ హ్యాస్ బీన్ అపాయింటెడ్ యాజ్ ది ఫస్ట్ చీఫ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఆఫీసర్ ఆఫ్ వేదాంత రిసోర్స్ లిమిటెడ్, విఆర్ఎల్? ఓకే, ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ దేశ్నే నాయుడు. దేశ్నే నాయుడు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, విచ్ fintech company has become the first to launch a beta version of its e-rupee wallet? The correct answer is Cred. Next, what is the name of the scheme recently launched by the government to provide loan guarantee for MSMEs? MSMEs. The correct answer is Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs. Okay, Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme. Next, which three countries have withdrawn from the economic community of West African states in January 2025? Okay, the correct answer is Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. Next question, which state won the best tabla award at the 76th Republic Day 2025? The correct answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next, recently, where was the science and fiction film festival organized in India? Okay, the correct answer is Panaji. Next, which state has become the first to start a rural cricket league? Rural cricket league. The correct answer is Bihar. Next, as per the union budget, how many engines of development were mentioned in the union budget 2026? The correct answer is 4. Next, Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana is proposed to be covered in how many districts? How many districts? The correct answer is 100 villages. The correct next question, what is the enhanced limit on Kisan credit card as per 2025 budget? The correct answer is 5 lakhs. Next, new scheme for women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes first time entrepreneurs to provide term loans up to. The correct answer is 2 crores. Next, how many adult tinkering labs to be set up in government for 5 years? The correct answer is 50,000. Next question, PM Swanidhi scheme is expected to be revamped with how much limit? With how much limit? Which scheme? PM Swanidhi. The correct answer is 30,000. Next, no personal income tax to be payable up to as per 25-26 budget. The correct answer is 12 lakhs per annum. Next, who released the book Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade in New Delhi? The correct answer is Amit Shah. Next, when is World Neglected Tropical Disease Day observed annually? The correct answer is January 30. Next, who has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. The correct answer is Rajesh Nirwan. Rajesh Nirwan. Civil Aviation Minister ఎవరండి మనకి? Central Civil Minister of Civil Aviation. Ministry of Civil Aviation. ఎవరండి? కింజరపు రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు. ఓకే, కింజరపు రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వరల్డ్ వెట్లాండ్ డే ఈజ్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ ఆన్ విచ్ డే ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్? వరల్డ్ వెట్లాండ్ డే. ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ February 2. Next, which country is the host of 9th Asian Winter Games? 9th Asian Winter Games. The correct answer is China. Next, which country has become the first African country to eliminate onchocerciasis? The correct answer is Nigeria. What is it? Nigeria. Next, which city is the host of first Regions Middle East Conference? Middle East Conference. The correct answer is Abu Dhabi. Next, who has been named as the pilot for Oxygen mission for AX4? The correct answer is Subhanshu Shukla. Subhanshu Shukla. Next, who won the men's singles title at the Senior National Table Tennis Championship 2025? The correct answer is Manush Shah. Manush Shah. Next, which film directed by Kiran Rao has been nominated for the Japan Academy Film Prize 2024? The correct answer is Lapata Ladies. Lapata Ladies. Next, which legendary former Indian cricketer conferred with the BCC's Lifetime Achievement Award in Mumbai on February 1st? The correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Next, World Cancer Day celebrated. World Cancer Day celebrated every year on February 4th. This year theme set for World Cancer Day 2025 is, the correct answer is United by Unique. United by Unique. Next, which country is the host of the 13th edition of Ekviren military exercise? 13th edition of Ekviren military exercise. The correct answer is Maldives. Next, which bank has won 6 awards for excellence is banking technology by India's Bank Association? Technology by India's Bank Association. The correct answer is Karnataka Bank. Next, Navin Chawla passed away recently at the age of 79. He was the former chairman of Election Commission. Election Commission. Next, the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Service INCOIS was established on. INCOIS అనేది ఎప్పుడు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశారని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే 1999 February 5th. Next, the OpenAI unveiled its new AI agent name. The correct answer is Deep Research. Deep Research. Next, Central Zoo Authority approved India's first white tiger breed center in which state? In which state? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Minister of Electronics and Information Technology and DAS have launched to the AgriHub aimed at transforming Indian agriculture. The correct answer is IIT Indore. Next, theater level operational readiness exercise TROPEX is a military exercise will be conducted by Indian Navy. Next, which organization has developed India's man portable air defense missile system is called SORADS? The correct answer is which organization అడిగాడు? Okay, the correct answer is DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. Next, who among the following clinched the Allah Border Medal at 2025 Australian Cricket Awards? The correct answer is Travis Head. Next, how much has been allocated for the Samudrayan project under the India's Deep Ocean Mission in budget 2025? The correct answer is 600 crores. Next, how much allocation has been made in the budget 2025-26 for the PM Surya Ghar Mufti Bijli Yojana? PM Surya Ghar Mufti Bijli Yojana. The correct answer is 20,000 crores. Next, how much was the GST collection for the month of January 2025? The correct answer is 1.96 lakh crores. 1.96 lakh crores. Next, what was the total value of UPI transaction in January 2025? The correct answer is 23.48 trillions. 23.48 trillions. Next, which state in India will establish the first AI university? First AI university. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Next, what is the name of the mission recently announced by Indian government for the development of small modular reactors (SMRs)? The correct answer is Nuclear Energy Mission. Nuclear Energy Mission. Next, International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation held every year on February 6th. Next, which initiative has the Government of India recently launched to provide healthcare assistance to the Hajj pilgrims? The correct answer is Hajj Suvidha app. Hajj Suvidha app. Next, which language has the Maharashtra government made mandatory for all officials to speak government and semi-government offices? The correct answer is Marathi. Next, who has been sworn in the new Prime Minister of Belgium? New Prime Minister of Belgium. The correct answer is Bart de Wever. Next, Gopal Vittal. Gopal Vittal has been appointed as the acting chairman of GSMA Group Special Mobile Association Board. Where is the headquarters of the Group Special Mobile Association located? అంటే ఆంధ్ర చూసుకుంటే లండన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్ అండి. లండన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్. నెక్స్ట్, who became the first black woman to win the Miss World title of competition? 40 years history. 40 years history. Sego Galia. Sego Galia. Next, what is the primary function of NASA's Space Telescope? The correct answer is to map the entire sky. To map the entire sky. Next, which institution has launched India's largest metal 3D printing machine for rocket components? The correct answer is IIT Hyderabad. Next, which country has topped in Global Digital Well-being Index 2025? The correct answer is India. Next, Indian Army partnered with which IITs for establishment of bamboo bunkers? Bamboo bunkers. The correct answer is IIT Guwahati. Next, which ministry has launched the National Youth Parliament Scheme 2.0? The correct answer is Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Next, Santorini Island, which was seen recently in news, is located in which sea? ఏంటంటే Santorini Island. Santorini Island. The correct answer is Aegean Sea. Aegean Sea. Which country has successfully demonstrated artificial photosynthesis in space? The correct answer is China. Next, how much fund has been allocated for nuclear energy mission in budget 2025? The correct answer is 20,000 crores. Next, which country is collaboration with the World Health Organization has launched the Ebola vaccine trial? Ebola vaccine trial. Which country? Uganda. Next, which state government has approved the new excise policy for 25-26? The correct answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next, Union Minister for Culture and Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat inaugurated the 38th Surajkund International Crafts Mela in Dash City. The correct answer is Faridabad. Next, Government of India has launched Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission with vision to create national digital health ecosystem as on Feb 3rd, 2025. Over 73.90 crores Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission IDs have been created. How many digits present in the health ID? Okay, Ayushman Bharat Digital మిషన్ సంబంధించిన ఐడి కార్డు యొక్క దీని హెల్త్ ఐడికి సంబంధించిన యొక్క ఆ కార్డు యొక్క నెంబర్, ఆ ఐడి ఎన్ని అంకెల సంఖ్య అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఓకే, సో ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే 12 digits అండి. నెక్స్ట్, వేర్ ఇస్ ది బిమ్స్టెక్ యూత్ సమ్మిట్ 2025 kicked off, which will be the from 7th to 11th February 2025? The correct answer is Gandhinagar. Next, which union minister inaugurated the 15th edition of the ACS largest biennial Air Show Aero India 2025 in Bengaluru? The correct answer is Rajnath Singh. Next, who among the following former president of Namibia passed away at 95? The correct answer is Sam Nujoma. Sam Nujoma. Next, who won the gold medal in the men's recurve event at the 38th National Games? The correct answer is Joel Sarkar. Next one చూసుకుంటే what rank did India achieve in the USGB's Lead Green Building Certification list for 2024? The correct answer is third rank. Next, which union minister announced that Naxalism from the country will be eliminated by March 31st, 2026? The correct answer is Amit Shah. Next, where was the first India Arab Universities Presidents Conference held? The correct answer is New Delhi. New Delhi is the correct answer. Okay. Next, which state has won the men's Kabaddi gold at 38 national games? The correct answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next, Dasavatar is traditional folk theatre from which Indian state? The correct answer is Maharashtra and Goa. Maharashtra and Goa. Next question చూసుకుంటే which country announced the dedicated cell for deepening bilateral defense cooperation at Aero India 2025 Airshow event? The correct answer is France. Next, PM Modi will co-chairs AI summit which is set to held in. The correct answer is Berlin. Next, President of India will inaugurate an international conference on integrative health solution in Delhi on the occasion of Unani Day. Unani Day celebrated for every year on. The correct answer is February 11th. Next, how much amount has been approved by the Center for the Skill India program for 22-23 to 25-26? The correct answer is 8,800 crore rupees. Next, IDFC First Bank has partnered with Econjo to introduce an AI avatar of which Bollywood actor? The correct answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next, Golden Peacock Award has been conferred to which organization? Correct answer is Coal India. Next, which bank introduced bank.in and fin.in domains for increasing payment security? The correct answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next, XDG 2045 Ministerial Roundtable at the World Government Summit 25 held in. The correct answer is Dubai. Next, who is set to take over as next CEO of Nokia on April 25? The correct answer is Justin Hotard. Next, which country has launched a large-scale security operation named Operation Devil Hunt? Launched at which country? Okay, the correct answer is Bangladesh. Operation Devil Hunt. Next, Devil Hunt Bangladesh. Which state will host the world's largest Jumur dance on February 24, 2025? Jumur అనగానే మనకు గుర్తొచ్చేది అస్సాం. ఓకే, బిహు. అస్సాం అనగానే మనకి గుర్తు రావాల్సిన బిహు అండి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ అదేవిధంగా వేరే డాన్సెస్ అంటే చూసుకుంటే జూమర్, అస్సాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, recently Pir Panjal Winter Festival begins in which state? The correct answer is Haryana. Next, Satkosai Tiger Reserve is located in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. Next, World Radio Day celebrated every year on. World Radio Day, February 12th. Recently, which Indian social reformer has celebrated his 200th birth anniversary on Feb 13th? The correct answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Next, India's index of industrial production records growth of dash percentage in December 24. The correct answer is 3.2%. Next, Union Minister for Textiles Giriraj Singh inaugurated Bharat Tex 2025, India's largest global textile event in which of the following cities? Which of the following cities? Greater Noida. Next, India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant has been launched in which city? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next, India offered the R-37M missile, one of the world's largest air-to-air missile. It was developed by which country? Correct answer is Russia. Next, where was the third edition of the India Energy Week held recently? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next, who has been announced? Who has been announced the new capital of RCB of IPL 2025? The correct answer is Rajat Patidar. Okay. Next, which union ministry has initiated the income tax bill 2025 in Parliament? The correct answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, the rare crocodile catfish. Bagarius suchas. క్రోకోడైల్ క్యాట్ ఫిష్ కి సంబంధించిన సైంటిఫిక్ నేమ్ ఏంటంటే బగారియస్ సుచోస్ అండి. ఓకే, హ్యాస్ బీన్ డిస్కవర్డ్ ఇన్ విచ్ రివర్ రీసెంట్లీ? ఓకే, ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ బహిని అండి, గౌహతి. నెక్స్ట్, vancomycin antibiotic that was recently highlighted in news is used to treat what kind of infection? The correct answer is bacterial. Next, who chaired the meeting of the Parliament Consultative Committee for the Ministry of Home Affairs on Cyber Security and Cyber Crime? The correct answer is Amit Shah. Next, who has been elected as the President of Institute of Chartered Accounts of India (ICAI) for the term of 25-26? ఎవరండి? చరణ్జోత్ సింగ్ నందా. నెక్స్ట్ కొంచెం చూసుకుంటే, who among the following has been appointed as the brand ambassador of ICC Championship Trophy 2025? The correct answer is Shekhar Dhawan. Next, who among the following has won the Special Recognition Game Changer Award at the 25 Sports Star Aces Award in Mumbai? The correct answer is Jay Shah. Next, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla constituted a 31-member selected committee to review the Income Tax Bill 25. The committee will be chaired by who among the following? The correct answer is Niskan Dubey. Wait. Niskan Dubey కాదండి ఆన్సర్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ is the correct answer. Baijayanth Panda is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 38 national games concluded on February 14th, which held in Uttarakhand. Which state is set to host 39th national games? Meghalaya is the correct answer. Next, which of the following organization has been honored with the Farmer Faster Sustainability Award 2025? The correct answer is NTPC Limited. Next, what is the annual rate of inflation based on all Indian wholesale price index? The correct answer is 2.35%. Next, Sohail Akhtar has become the first female cricketer to be banned for corruption. What is the nationality of Sohail Akhtar? The correct answer is Bangladesh. Next, Gyanesh Kumar appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India by succeed Rajiv Kumar. He will stay in the post until 107th January 26, 2029. Next, the 70th BRICS Summit 2025 is held in which city of Brazil from July 6th to 7th? The correct answer is Rio de Janeiro. Next, recently, where is the National Geospatial Knowledge Based Land Survey of Urban Habitation was inaugurated as part of pilot program? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which city will host the fourth South Asian Senior Athletics Champions from May 3rd to 5th, 2025? The correct answer is Ranchi. Next, when is Global Tourism Resilience Day observed? The correct answer is February 17th. Next, which two countries launched the Trust Initiative to boost cooperation in critical minerals in February 2025? The correct answer is India and USA. India and USA. Next, recently which organization has launched the Imagine a World with More Women's in Science campaign? The correct answer is UNESCO. Next, according to the latest Times Higher Education World Reputation Rankings 2025, which university secured the first position in the ranking for the 14th consecutive years? 14th consecutive years. The correct answer is Harvard University. The correct answer is Harvard University. Next, recently the Inland Waterways Transport Terminal was inaugurated on which river at Jogi Jopa? Jogi Jopa in Assam. The correct answer is Brahmaputra River. Next, which country is set to host the ICC Men's Championship Trophy 2025? The correct answer is Pakistan. Next, where was the 8th edition of the Indian Ocean Conference IOC held? The correct answer is Muscat. Next, where did the President of India Summit Draupadi Murmu inaugurates the National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav? The correct answer is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is the correct answer. Next, Indonesia is set to conduct multilateral naval exercise combo 2025. Which Indian naval ship is participating in the exercise? The correct answer is INS Sardul. INS Sardul. Next, where the second edition of AI All India State Water Ministers Conference will be held? The correct answer is Udaipur. Next, which city is the host of first ever regional dialogue on social justice? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next, Jotam Napat has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country February 25? The correct answer is Vanuatu. Next, which company partnered with UPM to modernize IIT's IT landscape with AI and automation? The correct answer is TCS. Okay. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled The New Icon Savarkar and the Facts? The correct answer is Arun Shaurya. Next, in the third session of the Women's Premier League 2025, which two new cities have been added as venues for WPL 2025? The correct answer is Hyderabad and Pune. World Day of Social Justice observed annually. Okay, the correct answer is February 20th. Next, the 72nd edition of Miss World event set to host which of the following states? The correct answer is Telangana. Next, which the first G20 employment working group meeting held in which country? Option B, South Africa is the correct answer. Next, which country has been placed under the state of emergency due to the earthquake in February 2025? The correct answer is option B, Greece. Next, Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day. Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day. The correct answer is Feb 20. Next, recently Google has opened its new campus in the correct answer is Bengaluru. Next, the International Mother Language Day celebrated every year on Feb 21st. Next, which Indian shooter named the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Ashwati for the year 2024? The correct answer is Manu Bakir. Manu Bakir. Next, the first edition of the Seoul Leadership Conclave inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. The correct answer is New Delhi. Next, recently who clinched the Asian Snooker Championship, beating Iran's Amir Sarkosh? The correct answer is Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani. Okay. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. మన ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసుకుంటే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.